The Cloud Native Computing Foundation, CNCF, is a sub-foundation of the Linux Foundation, established in 2015 to foster the growth and adoption of cloud-native technologies. Cloud-native computing refers to the design, development, and deployment of applications that leverage cloud computing models to build scalable, resilient, and agile systems. CNCF serves as a neutral home for open source projects, providing a collaborative environment for developers, organizations, and end users to innovate and standardize cloud-native technologies. The mission of CNCF is to make cloud-native computing widespread by supporting the development of open source projects that enable organizations to build and run scalable applications in modern dynamic environments such as public, private, and hybrid clouds. The Foundation envisions a world where cloud-native technologies are accessible, interoperable, and secure, empowering organizations to deliver value faster and more efficiently. CNCF focuses on several core areas to advance cloud-native computing. First, we have containerization, promoting the use of container technologies such as Docker and container runtimes like Containerd CRI-O to package and isolate applications. Next, we have orchestration, supporting orchestration tools like Kubernetes, the first CNCF project, which automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Next up, we have microservices, encouraging the adoption of microservices architecture, which breaks application into smaller, independent components for better scalability and maintainability. Following that, we have service mesh, facilitating the development of service mesh technologies such as Istio and Linkerd to manage communications between microservices. Next is observability, promoting tools like Prometheus, Fluent, Jagger for monitoring, logging, and tracing to ensure the reliability and performance of cloud-native applications. Following that, we have security, emphasizing the importance of security in cloud-native environments through projects like 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒂𝒍, Falco, and Notary. Following that, we have application definition and image builds, supporting tools like Kustomize and Helm for application definition, and BuildPack, Scanico, and IMG for building container images securely and efficiently. Next is CI/CD, enabling continuous integration and delivery with tools like Argo CD, Tekton, and Flux. Next is database, facilitating cloud-native database solutions like 𝒕𝒔𝒆 and 𝒕𝒔𝒆, distributed transactional key value store. Next up, we have streaming and messaging, supporting real-time data processing and messaging with projects like NATS, messaging system, Apache Kafka, streaming, and cloud event specification. Next is scheduling and orchestration, enhancing workload scheduling and orchestration with tools like Kubernetes and Volcano. Next is cloud-native storage, providing storage solution for cloud-native environments with projects like Rook, Longhorn, and OpenEBS. Next is container runtime, as we discussed already, advancing container runtime technologies including Containerd CRI-O, Kata, and Kata containers. Next up, we have strengthening security and compliance with tools like OPA for policy enforcement, 𝒕𝒉𝒊 for vulnerability scanning, and InToto for supply chain security. Lastly, we have automation and configuration, simplifying automation and configuration management with tools like cross-plane cloud-native control planes, Cluster API, Kubernetes Cluster Lifecycle Management, and kubectl plugins. Now, the CNCF fosters technical collaboration through various initiatives. First is technical advisory groups. CNCF tags scale contributions from the technical and user communities while maintaining integrity and quality in the support of CNCF's mission. Upcoming tag meetings can be found on the CNCF community calendar. Next is Technical Oversight Committee, TOC. Invited to attend public meetings and subscribe to the TOC mailing list to stay updated on the latest development and decisions. Next is CNCF projects. CNCF provides support, oversight, and direction for fast-growing cloud-native projects. If your organization is interested in donating a project to CNCF, you can find more information on GitHub. Next is SIG, Special Interest Groups. A SIG is an organized community of individuals or organizations that focus on a specific topic or area of expertise. In the context of technology and software development, SIGs are often formed within large projects or foundations to promote collaboration and development in specialized area. For example, with Kubernetes, SIGs play a critical role in driving innovation and addressing specific technical challenges. Next is KEPs, Kubernetes Enhancement Proposals. KEPs are a structured framework for proposing and documenting featured enhancement within the Kubernetes ecosystem. KEPs outline the design, rationale, and implementation details of a proposed feature, ensuring transparency and alignment with the project's goal. Each KEP is owned by a Kubernetes Special Interest Group (SIG), which oversees its development and implementation. The CNCF ecosystem thrives on the active participation of its members, contributors, and end users. CNCF members include a diverse range of organizations from startups to large enterprises that support the Foundation's mission through funding, resources, and advocacy. Members play a key role in shaping the direction of CNCF initiatives and projects. Contributors are individual organizations that actively participate in the development, maintenance, and improvement of CNCF projects. They include developers, maintainers, and community leaders who collaborate through SIGs, TAGs, and other working groups. End users are organizations and individuals who leverage CNCF technologies to build, deploy, and manage cloud-native applications. The feedback and real-world use cases are critical to drive the evolution and adoption of CNCF projects. The CNCF landscape is a comprehensive map of cloud-native projects and tools, categorized into areas such as provisioning, runtime, orchestration, and application deployment. Application development. This landscape helps users navigate the ecosystem and understand how different technologies fit together. It includes both CNCF-hosted projects and external tools that align with cloud-native principles. CNCF operates under a transparent, vendor-neutral governance model, ensuring that projects are developed collaboratively and without undue influence from any single organization. The Foundation is supported by a diverse community of contributors, including developers, end users, and corporate sponsors. CNCF also hosts events like KubeCon and Cloud Native Con, which brings together the global cloud native community to share knowledge and collaborate. Since its inception, CNCF has played a pivotal role in the rapid adoption of cloud-native technologies. Kubernetes, its flagship project, has become the de facto standard for container orchestration, widely used by organizations of all sizes. The Foundation's projects and initiatives have transformed how applications are built, deployed, and managed, driving innovation and efficiency across industries. In summary, CNCF is a driving force behind the cloud-native movement, providing the tools, community, and governance needed to build the future of computing in the cloud era.